Namaste to everyone and welcome back in our yoga class. So let's start with the relaxation. Everyone relax your hands, Thuzan Thai, Thanglang Nyammat, your spine straight and your eyes closed. Just be relaxed. And be calm. And be present in the class. Couple of deep breath. Everyone, inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. 3 times Om chanting. Everyone inhale and now start. Inhale. Modlan Noa. Hit wow. Rub your palm and make it heat. Place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes and relax your mind. Gently open eyes and look up at your palm. Smiling face and just relax. Everyone open your arms to your shoulder level. I'll give you one sequence here. Hit wow, high time, both arms up. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine. Suck your belly in. Hub and just matane look up. 1 and breathing. 2. 3, keep lifting up. 4, 5, 6, inhale, come back, both hands down and put your hands behind of your hip. Inhale, lift up your spine, open shoulder, drop your shoulder, but you have to keep giving the lift up your spine. Push your chest front, drop shoulder and look up. 1, focus opening your shoulder and your upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come back, inhale. Exhale, both palm on your knee. High thigh om down way. Suck your belly, squeeze and just look down. Relax. Open arms to your shoulder level. Both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale. Stretch your arm, stretch your spine the same. Suck your belly in and just mat nil. Literally look up. No need to drop your head like me. Just a little. 1 and breathing. 2, your lower body keep pushing down and upper body keep lifting upside. 4, 5, 6 and relax. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Motalan Noa, high thigh saumo. Both hands behind hip. Inhale, push your palm and exhale. Give a lift, open chest, shoulder and upper back. Matnin lane, look up. 1 and breathing. 2, 3, inhalation, exhalation. 4, 5 and 6. Come back, inhale. Exhale, palm on your knee again. High thigh om down going. Suck your belly, hobble and look down. Matnin swan. Thangla, spine straight. Open arms to your shoulder level. Third time. Both hands up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale. Stretch your arms. Exhale. Then try to push your arms behind as maximum you can. But do not bend your elbow. Khong up thigh, thang thigh. And then try. 1, 2, breathing. 3, are you okay? 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, open your arms to your shoulder level and make a Namaste Mudra from the back side like this. So first option I'll give you, palm in between the chest, open shoulder, drop shoulder. Cannot, you finding difficult, column comes out, you can be hold the elbow, then you can be drop. But the main thing, shoulder opening, drop the shoulder, spine lift up and then matni. When you look up, khong cut like this, do not drop the head. Just lengthen the neck and then literally drop. Until you can maintain the position of your neck straight, just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maintain the position. Inhale. Exhale. Then squeeze one, bend down. Keep opening the shoulder. Do not sink and squeeze the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Jantai. Open your arms, your shoulder level. Both arms. So your right hand on the left knee. Tai Phi, Om Dao Goi Chai. And then your left hand up. Inhale. Stretch your arm, ear, bicep together. Exhale. Then try to bend on your right side. Remember, do not push your chest so much front. Just keep it in and spine straight. Matni lane, Hongkan Din Su. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, focus on the breath. 6, relax, come back, inhale, again Jantai, open arm shoulder level. Now Tai Chai Om Dao Goi 5, Tai Phi lane, inhale, exhale, bend on the left side. Totally breath out when you come in the final position. 1. The one way to go deeper and deeper in the pose, with every exhalation, you can little push yourself. 3. Breathing. Keep breathing the way that connect with yourself. 5. and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, just relax. Again, open arms, your shoulder level. High thigh sound more. Put your hands behind of your feet. Okay, before do one thing, any one leg put on your upper thigh. Or the knee one time just look at it. The practice is one time you can put the leg on the upper thigh, one leg here, hands behind hip. Same practice, inhale, lift spine, open shoulder, lift the hip, and after you have to push hip until you maintain shoulder and the wrist aligned. Depends. You can be go more and more. Contour, it totally depends on you. Another thing might be why you are putting the leg on the upper thigh, because it is also affect your hip joint. So maybe you feeling difficult. You can lift the hip. Okay, do being thrown. You can cross the leg in this position, the Sukhasana. Then you can do try. Technique 3. You are finding difficult. Cannot lift up. Don't worry. You have the blocks. You take the block. Here. This will remain the same option. Even this or even that. And then you can try the same. When you are using the block, you are getting the more height and you can be level your body up more. It will become easier. You go. Tabi. Try. Hands behind hip. Inhale. Lift spine. Open shoulder. And then try to push your hip front side. Just try. Keep pushing your hip front. You find it difficult. So according to that, you can change the position every one. 2. And breathing, inhalation and exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Push your hip down and everyone. Koi swan bend forward. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine. And just stay. Mouth. High. Ba. Bone. Numb and sound. So come back. Come back, come back, come back. Tatka. High thigh lane. Both hands up. Finger lock and palm facing upside. Inhale, exhale, then very simply bend on your left side. But always remember, one, do not be push the chest and do not be side bending here. No, keep it in, spine straight. 1, whatever the movement you are doing, side bending, back bending, forward bending, twisting, lower thumb. 3, 5, 6. Inhale, come back and exhale. Again, bend on the right side. Go away. 1, 2, 3, 4. High thighs out. Push your arms back. Breathing. 5 and now 6. So inhale, come back and exhale. High thighs 1. Relax your hands. We will be repeat once again the practice before we do. Last time if you did the right leg, this time use the left leg. Change. But it's not ankle be here. Your ankle should be come on the upper thigh. No. Ankle should be come on the upper thigh. Not be practice here because it can injure your ankle. Same practice. High thigh sound, hands behind hip. Inhale, lift spine. And exhale, lift the hip. Just try. If you finding very difficult, so no need. 1, 2, you okay? 3, 4, breathing, tap tho. 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, push your hip down and everyone, Koi swan, bend forward. Stretch your arm and stretch your spine. All the way go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then relax. Come back. You all have a strap. Please take a strap in your hand. So we go the next practice for your shoulder mobility. So we'll go the arm rotation. You have, everyone take. So the practice is you have to be adjust the gap in between your both arms, and you have to inhale both arms up, exhale, then down. Inhale both arms up and exhale then down. Now might be the question, especially for the beginners, how about the gap in between arms? You know, someone know it, the continuous. You practice and then listen to me. No need to listen. So if you have a bigger gap, it will be a bit easier. You will go closer and closer, so it will become intense. So you have to define which level is suitable for you. Colon, Kongwa, you can make a bigger gap. And focus on the breath. Try to connect the practice. Thang Tai. Follow the one practice. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale up and exhale then down. Open more. No need to close if you are not able. Open hands more. Bigger gap. Yes. If you are not able, column, so no need to follow her. You follow yourself. Continuous. Inhale up and exhale then down. And Khom Gaptai, Thang, Theng, open, Theng, no worry. Continuous. Hai Moilan 20 times. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. No need to do in hurry. Slowly, dheere dheere, continuous, and keep smiling. No need to be sit like a sad faces. Continuous. How many? Banulan tapchua, Moilan joy, okay, tiap the Moilan. Continuous. Someone say always, oh, hi Moilan joy, and she still saying 10. Continuous. And then inhale and then exhale. Okay, enough. Relax it. Everyone keep your both legs straight. Thang jump. And little open legs. Move your legs. Just relax. Move your knees up and down. Legs closer. Toes facing point. Flex your feet. Toes facing point. And then flex your feet. Now make a rotation, ankle rotation. Anti-clockwise, opposite, rotation. And now just relax it. Everyone, come in the butterfly. Keep your feet together. Hold your feet and swing your knees together. And thumb, spine straight, always. And also try to be suck the belly in. Engage your stomach all the time. Few seconds. Beautiful. Place the palm on the knee and slowly push the knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, without giving jerks. 8, 9, and now 10. Okay, so everyone bend your legs and put your hands behind of your feet. So again, I will tell you the shoulder opening practice. Hands behind hip and open shoulder guards. The practice we did in the beginning, same thing you have to be maintained. Only modification change. Inhale, lift spine, open shoulder, exhale. Then try to lift your hip. The easy way to connect with the pose, keep pressing the palm, awareness in the shoulder and give opening in the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, long lane, thin lane, 6, and then relax. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Come in the butterfly, guys. Hai Tai Om Dao Koi. Both hands on your knee. We'll combine the practice. Inhale, exhale, thang, hub, and then Kui Suan bend down. You can touch the floor by your forehead, or if any student they feel you are super duper flexible, so touch with the chin. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so everyone come back. I will take you the same practice which we did before this. So this time we will practice with the block. Feel a little different. Take the block, guys. Same. Palm facing outside. So this time we will be combined with the two practices in one sequence. First, the same. Inhale, open shoulder, and exhale. Everyone try to lift your head. Come on. Keep pressing the palm and give the opening in the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chua song. Everyone goat chan lane. Raise your heel. Raise your heel. Khop chan lane. Heel. Goat chan lane. Raise your heel. Chan song. Heel up. Heel up. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Zoe, come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Again, come back in the butterfly. So we'll combine with the hip. Depends on you. Difficult, bigger gap, enough flexibility, close the gap. All depends on you. Dantai Saulong. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, slowly bend down. Any student can, so they can touch the floor by the chin. When you touch the floor by the chin, so it will become more intense because you need to be lengthen spine more. 1, slowly. 2, breathing, very good. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Zoe, come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Gapcha, bend your legs. Again, bend legs. Put your hands behind you. So I will take you the next practice, which is based on your last practice, from table to the bridge pose. I will give you the two technique. Technique 1, leg straight, toes facing point, open shoulder, inhale, exhale, lift the hip. Technique 2, bit easy, gapchan, same, lift the hip, stabilize the pose in the table, then try one by one leg straight. Left leg straight and then right leg straight. Hip, keep lifting, toes, pressing the toes on the ground. Come on. So you can choose any one technique. Beginner student, so gapchan, lane, after try to be thangchan. Yes, but any practice you need to be strong and stabilize your arms and your upper back. 3, keep lifting, strong arms. 4, 5, 6, 8, and relax, come back. Inhale, come back. Everyone again come in the butterfly. We will combine in the practice. Butterfly. This time take you one block in between the feet. So again, might be someone is have the question, it should be bigger, it should be closer. So it's all depends on you. If you come close, so maybe your spine will be sink like that. Yeah? So until you maintain the spine, you can be close the gap. Even here, even here, even here, or even here. Depends. And after, maintain this spine position, and then you have to be bent forward. Do not bend forward like that. You come, yep, thanglang, and then try. Your whole focus on your hip joint, thanglang, and then try. Come, little try, even just here. Try, slowly, 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 and focus on the breath always. Inhale and exhale. Whenever you find exhaust yourself, focus more on the breath. Inhalation, exhalation. Inhalation, exhalation. Yoga is all about inhalation, exhalation. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So relax. Again capture. Bend the legs. So the practice we did last time, we will repeat again, but this time with the block. Technique you can be used the same. We are only changing the modification. Because with the block, you will be get a bit more height. Adjust it. Same way. You can bend legs, then lift, then leg straight, or leg straight, then you can withdraw. Tap. Try everyone. So this whole practice is the step by step to come and to go deep in your practice, especially your arms, shoulder. Lift your hip up more. 1, breathing. You just need to be strong arms. 3. Enough. 4, just take. 5, 6, 8, and then 10. So come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Everyone, now we change again. Bend your left leg and right leg straight on the right side. We just make the combination with the shoulder, upper back, and with the leg. So the practice is, you just make a little gap in between the left leg and in between the hip. Depends on it. Bigger gap will be intensive, smaller gap, little gap will be easier. So depends on it. Another thing, you have to be flex the foot like this. Flex your left foot, flex your right foot. Right hand, right thigh, left hand on the left knee, and just give this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoy it. 5, 6. Poke that tail. 7, 8. Continuous. 9, and then 10. So now maintain the position. Push, bend forward. Slowly bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Okay guys, come back. Change your legs position and now repeat the same practice another side. Come on. One hand on the knee, one hand on the thigh, so that you can give the movement to the squat movement. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Use this leg. 4, 5, yes, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And now push on. Bend forward, and keep focusing to your left hip down. Keep pushing the left hip down. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, okay, 5, and then 6. So come back everyone. Relax. Thang chen. Keep your legs straight. Relax your legs. Move it. So now your legs straight and put your arms back again. So the another practice for the shoulder upper back and step back. So this is also the one of the very gentle routine for your shoulder opening. Remember, do not be sink the spine. It should be straight and slowly, just try. Even 2-step, even 3-step, even 4-step, 5-step, whatever it is. But do not be sink the spine like me. It should be opening. And then try. Just try. Wherever you feel it's enough, stay there. Pressing the palm and use the strength from your arm. Any student, if finding the compression is coming in your elbow, so please return back. You please come back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I count up 100. Okay, relax. Come back. Bend forward. Kuiswam in the Paschimottanasana. Hold your feet and then always flex the feet. Flex the feet will be give the more engage to your inner thigh, and it will be lock your knee, and you can be feel more stretch to your calf muscle. And now relax everyone. Come back. So this time open leg side when down. You can change the side. So the practice we did last time, so based on that practice, so you have to give the movement to your hip like this, movement. So you can be put your arms front side here, or you can be place your hands on your thigh, or you can be put one hand front, one hand back. So whatever make you feel comfortable, just do it. The movement should be from your lower body, not from the upper body, not for the dancing. Yeah? Lower body dancing. Continuous. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are eating something? You have something in your mouth? Go and 12. Go. 13. Continuous. 14. 15. 16. Scared. You feel scared? Huh? 18. 19. And 20. Keep your both legs together. Thangchen. Nim thang. Yes. So we will go the second time, the shoulder practice. Again, put your hands behind hip. Same. And then arms back. Slowly arms back. Slowly arms back. Come on, just try. Important thing, you are doing little, you are doing maximum, it doesn't matter. Main thing, you have to be stabilized and you have to be strengthening your arms. Press the palm and take the support from your arms. If you lose your arm, so it can be have the injury in your elbow, or it can be have an injury in your shoulder. So please be safe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am giving you the one more practice here, just the one more. If any student can maintain the same position, they can be try to lift both legs. Difficult, lift any one leg. Depends. 1, 2, high Chandy, 3, 4, 5. Now go up high chin and try to touch the knee. Go near, go near, go near, go near. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now come back. Relax. Bend forward, guys. Bend forward. These all are the very, very gentle practice, but is very effective practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Okay. Motlan Noah jump Hachen over the next side. Facing this side, we have the mirror. Use the mirror. We are putting a lot of money to buy the mirror. Yeah, but you look at the board. Yes. So this time, everyone just try to be bent forward. Kuiswa. Kuiswa. But when you kuiswa, knee, you have to be stabilize the knee, not be bending the knee. Stabilize it and then try to be bend. And the same thing, focus to the spine. Or the kanin hangnin prabi. Look at me. It doesn't matter chan here, chan here, chan here, chan here. Khomsa. Main thing, lung and the connection correlate with the hip. How? You have to bend forward same like thang and then down. Not like here. You go. Always practice low and thang and then you try. Even you stay here, no problem. But you jump low and then you practice here. This is not work at all. Come on guys, practice. Thang thai okay, gap thai okay. You can drop the chest, jang thai okay. Any modification. Come on, public. Try and stay here for 1 minute. More. Thang long yeah. Stay. Very good. Stay. Very nice. Just stay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, you are going to come back. No. No, I know you are saying no, but I am also saying no. Come back. Return because you are dropping the knee. Wait. Everyone come back. What you say? Look at her. She is our model now. So you do not need to be seeing the knee like that. You have to be pushed. The knee stabilizes. And then you have to be try. Then you have to be pushing. Okay. Relax. Thamja. Relax. Move your legs. Bone level. 4 times we go the twisting. Jang thai. Open arms. Thumb level. Hit wow. And exhale. Turn on the left. So when you turn on the left, more swam, you have to push your right hip down and left shoulder up, right shoulder down. Zoe, hit wow, come back and exhale. Sang 5 on the right side and now push your left hip down. Mong chai swam. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Tiap. Hold the breath out. Suck your belly in. Suck your beautiful belly in. Everyone so worried about their belly. Come back, inhale. Exhale. Turn on the right side. Come on, suck the belly. You will have very beautiful belly. Push your hip down. Okay, come back, inhale. Exhale, now relax. So this time again I will give you the 2 modification. The one for the beginner, simple Kuiswam. Option 2, Dan Thai Saulung and then Kuiswam. Option for the beginner, you can be hold the feet. Option 2, finger lock and then try to be back. Option 2 may be column. So try option. Yes, good. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay. Meow meow pose. Come in the cat pose. So here again I will give you the routine. First cat and cow, then downward and then upward. Just 2 times. Inhale, push your hip out, focus on your lower spine, shoulder away from the ear and matulin mocho. Little bit. Exhale, squeeze. Same, knee to hip align, look up, navel point. Motalan Noa, one more time. Inhale, open shoulder, look up. Exhale, suck your belly, look up, navel point. And now downward dog. Everyone curl your toes inside. Thang tai thang chen thang lu. Your legs, arms, spine straight. Everyone upward dog. Push your knee down, drop it. Hip down, push your chest in between arms and look up. Good. Now the second time option practice. Option 1, Bing Thuong. Option 2, just try to drop the head on the mat. But khom gap tai, thang tai. Khom ruak so khom sam. Just little try. And your belly, always suck the belly. Suck the belly, come on. Head near to the mat. And suck the belly and push the hip out, mong sao. So that you can keep charging your tailbone. Got chan suang, heel down everyone. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Down by swung, drop your knee down. And from here we will come in the extended child pose. Knee, hip align, and now hip, mong sao. Thang tai. And then try Bing Thuong, down swung, head down. Option 2, chest or the chin, then just try. Come on, keep pushing the chest and the shoulder against the floor. Okay, home. Okay, home. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, you say 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. From here you have to become in the frog pose, egg pose. So how to do the egg pose? You have to be slide your any one side knee, even the left or even the right, just slide it. I will first round, I will give you the movement in that. So the practice is your knee and the hip, it should be aligned, and knee and ankle should be aligned. No, this I don't like this frog. You just open this one, this frog. Yeah, this is the different frog. So drop the elbow here. Everyone okay? Maintain knee hip aligned, knee ankle aligned, and the flex your feet. And after you have to only give the movement. With the movement, go front and then try to go back. Slowly. Go front and then go back. You finding difficult under the knee. You feeling hard. So you have the towel. You can be put towel under the knee if you are finding. Continuous. Just practice for 30 seconds. Slowly, gently movement. Go front and go back. The movement should be slow. No need to be in hurry. Continuous. Just continuous. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Okay? Zoe, enough Zoe. Again, come in the cat pose. Come back in the cat pose. So this time everyone take a one block. If someone have, okay, this is the practice again for the shoulder. I am making the combination shoulder and the hip. Bing Thuong practice we did already. Student, they feel this is enough, so they repeat the same. Practice 2, you try with the one block. Any student, they feel no, you can do more, you can use the 2. Yeah, someone think I am more super duper flexible, you can change it. Here you come. Tabli. You also give her your. Try. Beginner student moth block toy. One is Prathan Taina Khongapta. Your palm should be on the block. Yes. Arm should be straight, guys. Finding difficulty, so no need to use the block. You can go with a simple practice. Yoga is all about to understand yourself. No comparison, no competition, no ego. That will save you with the frustration. 7, 6, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, come back. So again, I will take you back in the frog pose. But in the frog pose, this time we will do the change. So you have to become in the frog pose, slide the knee any side, and your left leg should be straight on the left side. But do not drop the knee. Remember, please, which I explained the last time. Knee up. Do not be dropped. Knee up, and just try. And then you can be gaptai. You can be drop the chest. If someone finding difficult, you are feeling okay or difficult. If you are feeling difficult, so you can repeat the same pose again. You can look at her. You can look at her. Your knee, hip, and hip to leg. It should be the alignment like here. Wait. Pass it. Lamjiang. Huh? This frog is not good. Come on, change the position. 1, 3. Difficult? No need. You can be repeat. No need. You can come back. Do this practice. Enough. Come make noise. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, relax. Okay. Don't make funny noise. Come back. Relax. Come back. So now I will take you back in the practice. How many wheel we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many will we have? The 9. And can you give me the 1 wheel, please? Well, fast. Don't want it. Give me the wheel. Fast. Bang. Yes. No, you come here. I will give you the practice in which 2 students can be practiced together. You sit down and face that side. Yes. This practice is for your upper back. So you have to drop the veil under the upper back. Here, you finding that the wheel cannot be controlled. You can lock the wheel. You can put the block. Hands up and you can hold the elbow. Yeah. Drop the hand. So you have to be practice. Just hold the your partner hands, and then you have to just slowly. 1, 2, 3. You find your partner can do more. You can give her push more. Depends. 7, 8. But do not give just like that. Yeah? It should be very smoothly and it should be very gently. And you find she can do more. You can ask her. Noah. Them. Hold. Yeah, and then let her hold. So give 10 times movement very slowly, and after 10 let your partner hold for certain 10 seconds, 20 seconds. You go.
How about the breath?
Breath should be normal. It should be combine the breath like do again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And when you hold, then breath continues. Inhalation, exhalation. Good? Come on. You practice and help it. Everyone take the wheel. 2 students will practice at one time. So this is your self practice. You can choose your partner. Anyone. You both are same. Try. She be new wala. Tap yoga nam saunam zone. Muelam zone. 8 years, almost 5 years. And then come on, try very thanchandi, leg straight. You can observe very gently. So you know, practicing and sporting, this is also the part. Come on in. You hold elbow here, like this. This one. Hey, this. Don't stare. Koe mocho. Yeah. I push you. If I push you, I will touch your head with the floor. That's why. Inhale. 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 Just stay. Breathing normal. 1. You go. 2. Relax. Serious. Very nice. You can push her. She's okay.
You push out it.
No.
Whoa.
Yes. You want to practice one more time? So you have to go slowly in the practice. Noah?
My next relax.
Neck, just drop the head. One thing, if someone they finding the strain in the neck, like someone they have the neck pain and that, so in this case you can be give the practice. You can be like fold the towel and put the towel under the neck, or still strain in the neck. So can be have the block under the neck. So neck will be safe. Neck, tập chuột. Practice 2 times. Stay in the pose. More. In. More. Relax. Namaste guys, Master Praveen. आशा करता हूँ कि you all are doing great and doing your yoga practice every day. So if you really like this video, so please like, share and subscribe so that more people can come to know more about the yoga and everyone can do the yoga together. Another thing, like if anyone want to do the yoga training with me, the regular classes, intermediate classes, advanced classes on some different basic concept courses, certificate courses, short courses, long courses, like the 200 hour, 300 hour, 500 hour. If someone really want to be keen to become a yoga teacher, you want to build up your career in the yoga, so you can contact to me. There are a lot of batches are going on, so आप उनसे contact कर सकते हैं. I am giving you my email, I am giving you my WhatsApp number, and I am also mentioning my website, that is www.praveenyoga.com. You can find all the information there. My WhatsApp number, Indian code everyone know, 9306018704, and my email info.praveenyoga@gmail.com. So आप किसी भी channel से you can contact to me and give me chance to let's do the yoga together. So thank you so much. Hari Om, Om Shanti. Namaste.